Hi guys, today I will show you how to make other foodic device. First time you touch the skin here, then you show here, select the language. I select the language English, and there is writing dining or pickup. I need other takeaway, so I select the takeaway, and there is all menu. See burger, wraps, appetizer, beverage, saucer. So I will select the burger. There is all available burger is showing. So I like the which kind of burger. I like the smoky burger. Smoky burger 27 real. I need 2 pieces like that. No need 2 pieces like that. So I need 2 pieces smoky burger, and there is showing the what you need extra or no need, like add pickles or extra cheese. No need, I need regular, so I put here. And wraps same like that. Which kind of wrap you need? I need the honey mustard wrap, just 1 piece, and same add bag and appetizer. Wow, so I like the anti-cavity wings, so I need 3 pieces because I have brother and 1 friend. 3 pieces anti-cavity chicken wings. So add the bag, and now beverage. Wow, I like mojito, strawberry, 1, 2, 3 because I have 3 person. We are doing 3 person together. And last and saucer, 1 smoky sauce, 1 blueberry sauce, and I will see confirm my order. 1 smoky burger, 2 honey mustard wrap, anti-cavity wings, drinks, and saucer. Everything is okay. Then I will make checkout. Checkout is good. Everything is good. So continue, and I will pay here money, and my order is done.